Hi, today we are doing one brand tutorial using Maybelline products. Using Fitme foundation, my shade is 128. Next I'm using Fitme concealer. This is in shade 115. This shade is lighter than mine, but it still works. It blends so easily. As you can see, it gave nice matte finish. Next is this Fit Me Compact in shade 115. Next I'm using this Colossal volumizing mascara. It gave nice strength also and I really like this. So I didn't bought the eyebrow pencil, so I'm using this mascara to draw my eyebrows. Using all Jugadu hacks to do my full face because I didn't have all the products. Using highlighter for eyeshadow and then this lipstick as blush. Blend quickly because this is a matte lipstick. This shade is Ruler and I got this lipstick as free. Using highlighter on my cheekbone and my nose. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe.